Every time you search Blender 3D coffee shop on YouTube, you see the same thing. Low poly, isometric designs. They look cool, sure. But what if we took it up a notch and made something like this? Yup. In this video, I'm going to show you how I made this coffee shop scene in Blender. I'm not going to go into the details that much, but I will show you the process of it in the quickest way so you can make something on your own. Okay, let's start it. The blockout is super simple. A floor, two walls, and a ceiling. Then we add the basics. A table, a window opening, and a shelf. Once that's done, we will position the camera exactly where it needs to be. Now let's move on to the modeling. First up, the window. It's a key element that brings light into the scene and sets the mood. Next, the shelf. Simple but adds character and details to the space. These small touches make a big difference in the final look. And let's not forget the floor. Just start with a simple cube, then use array modifier to duplicate it, and then create a clean tiled floor pattern. Now let's move on to texturing. For the walls, I use this realistic brick texture. For the table and the shelf, I went with a clean wood texture to keep things warm and natural. I got these textures from Poliigon, great source for high quality materials. Next, let's add some models to bring the scene to life. If you head over to Blenderkit, go to filters and under availability, select free. You will have access to thousands of models and trees. Here are a few I added to make the scene more detailed and realistic. Flower pots, a stylish lamp, chairs, cups, a croissant, a teapot on the table, plus glasses and sugar cans with the coffee grinder in the shelf. And if you want to make a beautiful neon sign like this one, check out Blender Guru's neon sign tutorial on YouTube. I follow it and it's perfect. Now for the lighting setup. We have two main lights, one point light coming from the lamp and a spotlight shining through the window to represent the moonlight. And don't forget, the neon sign itself is an emissive light source, which adds a nice glow to the scene. For the final touches, I added an image behind the window to create a nice background view. Then I added some dust particle for extra realism. Here's how. I modeled a few low poly shaped and used particle system to make them float around the scene. This gives that atmospheric dust effect. Finally, let's move on to rendering. These are the settings I use for the animation. And after about 35 hours of rendering, all the frames were ready. I brought them into DaVinci Resolve for compositing and color adjustment. And here is the final result. If you want a more detailed tutorial on any part of this process, let me know in the comments. I will make a video for you. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.